Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to speed up a video on Capcut. Tap the clip, choose speed, and pick normal or curve to change timing. For a consistent boost, use normal and set 1, 5x or 2x, and for smooth ramping, use curve to draw speed points. Always preview playback and tweak cuts so audio stays natural. Export at your desired resolution and share confidently. Using normal speed is fast and precise, perfect for consistent tempo changes. Tap speed, select normal and type a multiplier like 1, 5x or 2x to accelerate or 0, 5x to slow down. Check audio sync and consider detaching audio if you need independent control. Trim or add transitions to mask abrupt jumps. This method is great for quick edits, time lapses, and syncing visuals to pacing needs. If you're finding this helpful, please subscribe and like so I can keep making short editing guides. Quick recommendation: The Simple Path to Wealth is a book that can change how you think about money and free up time for your creative projects. It pairs nicely with learning efficient editing tricks because financial clarity buys focus. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Curve speed gives you nuanced control with ramps that feel natural and professional. Add key points along the timeline, drag them up or down, and refine handles for smooth accelerations and decelerations. Use presets or draw a custom curve to match beats or motion. This approach helps craft cinematic momentum or playful slow-to-fast moments while keeping viewers engaged and maintaining visual continuity throughout your edit.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.